Let me turn a little bit more so you can see. Let me go ahead and do this really quick. So yeah, that's the back of it. So that means it's gonna have to fold over here. Okay, let's see. It's right there. Let me go ahead and plug it in. And no, so close. Give it another shot. Oh, it's right there. There we go. Perfect. Let me go ahead and fix the wiring really quick. There we go. Okay, this is where it gets a little tight. Let me see. It's not. There we go. Now it's seating properly. Let me go ahead and try these two screws. They seem to be the same size. I mean, they seem to have the same thread pitch. There we go. That feels better. Cool. And last piece of the puzzle is putting this back on.
If you enjoyed and want more of this type of content, leave a like and subscribe for future videos and shorts.